Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your password for a Wegmans.com account. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Start off by open a web browser and in the URL box type in Wegmans.com. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official site for Wegmans. Once the official site opens up, go to the top right hand corner and click on the sign in/register button. You will then end up in the sign in page. You will then be prompted to enter your email and password to sign in and access your account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, you can easily reset to a new one. Simply go ahead and click on this forgot your password link, and on the next page, enter your email address associated with your Wegmans account. Once you enter the email, click on send email and you'll now receive a verification code sent to you via your email address. Go and open up a new tab and log into your email inbox. Once you go ahead and open up your email, you will receive a 6-digit code sent to you. Simply go ahead and copy the code and paste it in the verification code text field. Now click on verify code and you will be able to reset to a new password. Click the set/reset password button and on the next page, enter a new password you'd like to reset to. This time make sure to enter the password that is easier for you to remember and retyping the password one more time on the next field. Finally click on the set/reset password button and you will be able to reset to a new password right away. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.